Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will make Christmas cookies from plasticine Play-Doh and color them with felt tip pens. Well, shall we start? Now I'm gonna take a green ball and roll it out. Green! And you try to guess what shape we're going to make out of this green plasticine. Well, I have this mold for the shape. Yes, it's a Christmas tree. Let's do it and see. Let's remove the excess. I also have the inside of this mold. Wow. Now we'll put it inside and press it down. Cool. Let's get this out. Wow, cool. It's a green Christmas tree. The next ball is white. White. Now let's take the next mold. What is it? I think we'll find out soon. Wow, it's Santa! Santa Claus! Let's get it done soon. Wow, great! We will color it soon and it will be even better. Nice. Santa Claus in white color. Let's take another ball. Brown. Okay, now let's take the next mold. Wow, it looks like a human. Well, let's go. Cool! This is a cookie from Shrek! Nice! Nice, very nice. Good. Brown cookie. Now let's take the white ball again for the next shape. White. Next mold. Okay. Wow, cool, it's Snowman. Yes, it will be a white snowman. Nice, it's cool snowman. Good. White snowman. And the next ball is pink. Pink. Okay, and the last mold? And what do we have here? Wow, it's a snowflake! Good. Cool, this is amazing. Great. Nice. Pink snowflake. Okay, and now let's color them so that they become more vivid. Let's color Santa's shape first. Wow, cool. This Santa turned out very well. Good. Okay, now I want to paint the snowman. Well, let's see what happened. Oh, nice. Very nice. Great. And now let's take the fir tree and hang Christmas balls on it. Wow, it's perfect. The spruce tree looks much better now. Good. Friends, thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again!